Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grab app weekly settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about grab and we click. In this page of app on file we click on Forcestop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.